Check system requirements. Ensure your device meets the minimum or recommended system requirements for Call of Duty. PC. Update your GPU drivers and ensure sufficient RAM and storage. Console. Verify the game is compatible with your console's version. 2. Update your game. Check for the latest patches or updates in your platform's store, e.g. Steam, Battle.net, PlayStation Store, or Xbox Store. Updates often include fixes for bugs and compatibility issues introduced in new versions. 3. Verify game files, PC. Corrupted files can cause crashes or prevent the game from launching. 1. Steam. Go to Library, right-click Call of Duty, Properties, Local Files, verify integrity of game files. 2. Battle.net. Select Call of Duty, click the gear icon, scan and repair. 4. Disable background apps. Close unnecessary programs consuming system resources or conflicting with the game. On Windows, use Task Manager, Control-Shift-ESC to end unnecessary tasks. For consoles, reboot to ensure only essential apps run. 5. Update your drivers, PC. Outdated graphics, sound, or network drivers can cause crashes. NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience to update drivers. AMD, use AMD Radeon software. Intel, download drivers via Intel Driver and Support Assistant. 6. Adjust in-game settings, PC. Lowering settings can help avoid crashes on systems struggling to handle high performance. Reduce resolution and texture quality. Disable ray tracing, VSync, and anti-aliasing. Cap the frame rate to a stable value, e.g. 60 FPS. 7. Check for conflicting software. Disable overlays from apps like Discord, Steam, or NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Temporarily disable antivirus software or add Call of Duty to the exception list. 8. Clear cache and temporary files. PC, delete temporary files. 1. Press Win-R, type temp, and press Enter. 2. Delete all files in the folder. Console, power cycle your console. 1. Turn off the console and unplug it for 30 seconds. 2. Plug it back in and restart. 9. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ PC. Missing or corrupted system components can cause crashes. 1. Download and install the latest DirectX from the Microsoft website. 2. Install the latest Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft's official site. 10. Check console storage and updates. For consoles, ensure adequate free space for the game and updates. The console firmware is updated to the latest version. 11. Reinstall the game. If other fixes fail, uninstall and reinstall Call of Duty. For PC, delete residual files in the installation folder before reinstalling. For consoles, delete saved data only if the issue persists after reinstalling. 12. Contact support. If none of these fixes work, contact Activision Support or the platform's support team with details like error logs, crash reports, and troubleshooting steps you've attempted. Let me know if you need platform-specific steps or further assistance.